In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Snowflake on Metabase 2026, step by step. First, open your Metabase workspace in your browser and sign in with an account that has admin privileges. You'll need admin access to add a new data source. If you're not sure whether you have it, look for the gear icon or the admin panel option. If you don't see it, ask your Metabase admin to grant you access before continuing. It also helps to have your Snowflake connection details handy, like your account identifier, the warehouse, database, schema, and the authentication method your organization uses. Once you're in Metabase, head to the area where you manage data connections. From the home screen, you can use the admin panel and open the databases section. Here, you'll see a list of supported data sources. Find and select Snowflake. Choosing the Snowflake option ensures Metabase applies the right driver and settings optimized for Snowflake's architecture, including support for warehouses and role-based access. Next, add a new database connection and fill in all the required details for Snowflake. Start with a clear display name that your team will recognize, like Snowflake Analytics, or your department's name. For the account field, use your Snowflake account identifier exactly as your Snowflake admin provided it. Depending on your Snowflake edition, it may include your organization name and region. Choose the appropriate authentication method, typically a username and password or a key pair, based on your company's security policy. Enter your warehouse, database, and schema. Make sure these values match what your Snowflake role can access. Using a dedicated read-only role is a best practice to keep analytics safe and predictable. If you see advanced options, review them with care. Setting a default role, warehouse, or schema can make queries more reliable and reduce confusion later. Consider enabling SSL if it isn't on by default, and verify any timeout or sync settings match your team's needs. Remember that Snowflake warehouses consume credits when running queries, so choose a warehouse size appropriate for your expected workloads. Before saving, double-check for typos, especially in the account identifier and region. If your Metabase version provides a test connection button, use it to confirm everything is working. When the test succeeds, save the connection. Metabase may begin an initial sync to pull in tables and fields. Let that complete so your data is fully available. That's it. You've opened Metabase, selected the Snowflake connector, and added the database with the required details, putting your Snowflake data at your team's fingertips for questions, dashboards, and alerts.